I usually recommend that, you don't want to walk out your front door and see their front door. But the street behind that, probably not too close, especially if neither one of you are like stalkers or obsessive about the other. Because if the kid's on foot, you can go, oh, I forgot something at mom's house, I'll be right back. And they run, and 5 minutes later, they're back with the thing that they need. Great. That's what you want. If you're across the country, it makes it very difficult. One of the parents is only going to get seen like maybe 1 weekend a month if they're going to take that flight. And then at the age of the kids, if they're younger kids, they have to have somebody accompany them. So now you have to fly an adult both ways and back and forth. And who pays for the flights? Who picks them up? It's a lot more expensive. Does the new job make enough to justify that expense? And if you're the one moving, then you're probably going to be the one stuck with those expenses. But then on the other hand is like, what if the reason is, well, they don't do anything. They never even exercise their custody, but they're making me stay here just because they like to punish me, but they never see the kids. And it's true. Is the judge going to let you move? Yeah, maybe. These are some of the biggest and most important fights. And when you're in court, I will tell you this. You have to have an answer because the judge may ask you themselves. In court, the attorneys can ask questions, but in family court, the judge can ask you questions, and they often do, almost always. And the judge is probably going to ask you, if I don't let you move, then what? If you don't have a really good answer for that shows you care and you've thought that through, the judge is not going to let you move because it shows that you're only selfish, you only care about yourself, you're not really thinking about the kids. So you really have to make sure that you put the kids first, and having both parents in a geographic restriction is important. If the other parent still lives in that geographic restriction, you're going to be required. And actually, take that back. You're not required, but the child is. And you can't take the child and move out of that geographic restriction. One of the biggest things that we fight over, if you have that problem, you definitely need the best lawyer that you can afford. If you want to get through a child custody case in the healthiest way possible, go to healthydivorce.com, and we're here to help you.